Hi guys! Welcome back to our channel, and today gagawa tayo ng mocha fudge frosting. Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel, and today tuturuan ko kayo kung paano gumawa ng mocha frosting using Everwhip. So you need 1 liter Everwhip, 120 grams fudge, and 12 grams instant coffee. Okay, to start, lalagay nyo muna yung chilled Everwhip nyo sa inyong mixing bowl. Pwede nyo rin naman actually hatiin itong recipe na to. It's just that buong 1 liter yung ginagamit namin sa store kasi maramihan yung gawa namin. So ayan, you will start with low speed. So dahan-dahan nyo lang imimix yung Everwhip hanggang sa maging frothy na siya. Ayan, medyo nilakasan ko siya ng dahan-dahan, and dapat wag agad high speed yung mix nyo, yung mixture nyo. So nakikita nyo, unti-unti na siyang tumataas yung volume. So while mixing, yung choco fudge nyo and the instant coffee powder, hahaluin mo siya together para hindi magbuo-buo yung coffee powder doon sa mixture mo ng whipped cream. You can also add powdered sugar if gusto nyong mas may konting tamis pa. Pero here, we preferred na hindi na siya lagyan kasi medyo may konting sweetness na yung chocolate fudge, and we don't want to overpower the frosting. So, paunti-unti lang muna yung lagay nyo. Testing nyo muna kung kunyari ang mga 50 grams muna, and then you add more if you want it sweeter, para at least hindi siya nakakaumay. Okay, so mapapansin nyo, medyo nagdo-double na yung volume ng mixture, pero hindi pa rin ito yung highest speed. So this is only speed 6 to 8, and hindi namin siya itotodo muna kasi gusto namin maganda yung pagkakaangat ng whipped cream. Alright, so double na yung volume ng ating whipped cream and stiff na rin yung ating icing. So now, it's time to add the chocolate fudge and coffee mixture. Okay, so continue mixing until well combined. So this is again speed 6 to 8, and iniintay ko na lang na makombine yung ating fudge mixture dun sa ating whipped cream. Kaya at this time, nag-scrape ako nung sides ng bowl para mas halong-halo yung ating mixture kasi meron pang konting fudge dun sa side. Okay, continue mixing lang until it is well combined and stiff na yung icing natin or frosting. So, make sure yung whipped cream na imimix nyo is not soupy. So, kasi yung iba, nagmimix siya and akala nila okay na, pero hindi pa siya stable or hindi pa siya stiff enough. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo later kung paano yung tamang consistency ng ating whipped cream. Okay, I think our frosting is done. So, let's check if okay na ba and stable na siya. Okay, so you try it with your rubber scraper and if hindi na siya nahuhulog and it's smooth and creamy, I think that's perfect. So, now let's frost. For the cake, we're using a chocolate moist cake base. So this is our own recipe and soon we'll be sharing this recipe soon. So make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell. You can also use a mocha chiffon or vanilla chiffon cake base for this frosting. So, depende yun sa inyo kasi I'm sure this mocha frosting is so delicious na bagay siya sa lahat. Okay, so nagdadagdag kami ng extra layer of mini chocolate chips sa gitna nitong mocha fudge cake namin kasi it adds additional texture and mas sumasarap yung cake pag merong extra chocolate chips sa gitna. Okay, now it's time to frost the cake. So, lagay lang kayo ng frosting sa top ng cake and we will smooth the top first. So, you can start on the top. Pwede rin naman sa side kayo mag-start. So, it depends on how you are comfortable on frosting the cake. So, while you're doing this, magagamay mo naman kung saan ka mas komportable. You can also check our video on how to smooth a cake. So, on that video, iba naman yung technique namin on how to smooth a cake. But this also works. So, you know, kung ano po yung mas kabisan nyo or yung mas komportable kayo, you may always practice, practice, practice. So now, we'll be using an acrylic scraper to smoothen the sides of the cake. So, the technique here or the secret here is, nakikita nyo, hindi gumagalaw yung kamay dun sa scraper. Ang gumagalaw po ay ang ating turntable. So, it takes time to master this, pero what you need to do is always practice. Okay, now to remove the excess icing, use a spatula. So, mag-start ka dun sa labas ng cake na naka-angle yung spatula mo, papunta dun sa gitna ng cake. So, it's away from you. And light pressure lang or light stroke lang para hindi naman maubos yung icing sa top. And, yan, makikita mo, sinusmooth na ulit yung top using the spatula. Okay, so now yung matitira mong fresco fudge ay ilalagay mo ngayon sa piping bag. And you will pipe it on the side of the cake para mas added decoration or mas maganda or elegant yung ating cake. So here, pipe mo lang slowly. Dun sa middle ng cake, okay lang kahit ayan nahuhulog. kasi later I'll show you the effect of this design. So, using your spatula, paangat mo siyang isi-scrape para mukhang marble yung effect ng ating side ng cake. And then, maglalagay ka rin ng fudge frosting sa top. So, pa-swirl mo siyang ipapipe. So, ikot mo lang yung frosting mo and dahan-dahan kang magsuswirl nung fudge frosting natin. Now, using your spatula, scrape mo ulit yung top ng cake or ismoothen mo yung fudge na nilagay mo. So, ang effect nito is para siyang log, yung parang sa puno. So, ang ganda ng effect niya. So, for me, it's very elegant. Ayan. So, ito na yung effect ng ating parang log design on top. So, ngayon, lalagyan na natin siya ng borders ng whipped cream natin na mocha. Alright, now magpapipe na tayo ng border. So, mag-start ka muna ng 4 na top and bottom and left and right. And in between, lalagyan mo ulit siya ng border. So, I'm using 1M. You can also use 2D or any other tip that you prefer. So, maglalagay pa tayo ng chocolate chips para added design and mas maganda siyang tignan. Okay, so now here's the finished product, our mocha cream fudge cake. So, try nyo na po itong recipe na to and I'm sure masasarapan lahat ng makakatikim na family nyo and your customers. So, alam nyo ba na ang recipe na to can make 4 8x3 cakes? So, ito, papakita ko sa inyo na marami pa kaming na-icingan na cake after that video. Okay, so yung Fresco chocolate fudge is nabili namin siya sa local baking supply store na supplier namin. And I'm sure meron din siya sa iba pang mga supplier na or local baking supply stores sa area nyo. And tanong nyo lang po yung Fresco chocolate fudge. And meron din sila nung caramel fudge na sobrang sarap din. Lasa rin siya nung sa ice cream ng isang leading fast food chain. So, ginagamit din siya namin as filling sa cake. And also, itong fudge, pwede rin siyang filling sa cakes natin kahit hindi mo siya ihalo sa frosting. Kahit i-filling mo lang siya, sobrang sarap niya. And wala siyang aftertaste. So, I really recommend this. Alright, we're on to the 4th cake. And as you can see, meron pa rin kaming tirang frosting. So, sobrang dami pa rin ng frosting niya kahit 4 na yung na-icingan na namin na 8x3 na cake. So, here is the chocolate fudge of Fresco. And I highly recommend this kasi wala siyang aftertaste. And sobrang sulit. So, ito yung consistency niya. So, pwede nyo rin siya i-filling sa cake and pwede siyang i-top. Pwede rin niya siyang i-frost sa mismong cake kasi sobrang sarap niya. Here's our finished product. So, comment down below if you have tried this recipe and give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. See you soon on our next video. Bye!